I always love showing how everyday chocolates are made because behind every small candy, there is a big process.
Sugar is cooked at high heat.
Have you ever wondered how colorful chocolate candies are made inside a factory? Through the chocolate making process,
Machines shape every candy. Each batch is carefully checked. Candies are packed fast.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and share it with someone who loves chocolate, and tell me in the comments which chocolate do you like the most.